Hello everyone, welcome to today's video, and I'm going to show you how to make an arch opening inside a curved wall. I have a video out on how to make an arch in a regular straight wall, but today I'm going to focus on a curved wall. First, I already have an elevation marker here, and you're going to want to go ahead and set an elevation up of where you're going to put your wall so that you'll be able to draw the arch. Go to the architecture tab, then under component arrow, click model in place. And scroll down or just type in the category walls. And then go ahead and name whatever you want to name this. I'm just going to name it curved wall. Go to extrusion and go ahead and draw your curved wall. So for that, I'm going to click the start in radius arc tool and just draw your wall at the desired length. Bump it to its arch. And I'm going to click the offset button and offset that line to however thick you want your wall. So mine is going to be 6 inches. Go ahead and close off the ends with the regular line tool. And if you have overhangs, just press the trim extend corner tool or TR on your keyboard to trim those overhangs. Click the check mark and go to this elevation view. And in the elevation view, this is where you're going to put your wall at your desired height. Mine is going to be that. So go back to the floor plan view, because now it's time to make the arch. Go to create, extrusion, and go to the rectangle tool and make a rectangle. Either right beside the curved wall or in front of it, doesn't matter. Just make a rectangle. Any size, but similar to this one. This is temporary element that I'm making right now, and we're going to delete it later. Just wait and see. So once you make that rectangle, click the check mark. Go to elevation view. Just bring it up a little bit so you can be able to see it. Now in the elevation view, after I made the rectangle, I'm going to go to the create tab, void forms, and click void extrusion. And this work plane options will pop up. Just select pick a plane and click OK. And you're going to pick the face of the rectangle you just made, not the curved wall. It won't even allow you to pick the curved wall. I'm clicking the face of the rectangle because basically what I'm doing is tricking Revit into thinking I'm making this arch on this rectangle, but really I'm just using the rectangle for its plane purposes. Now that I've clicked the plane of the rectangle and I'm in void extrusion, I'm going to go ahead and make my arch. But I'm going to do it here on my curved wall. So go ahead and do that. So I'm going to draw a straight line and offset it 42 inches for the opening. And the start in radius arc tool, I'm going to make the arc or arch and click the check mark. Now go to the floor plan view, and now you just want to pull that arch opening, cut through the curved wall like so. And if you see an orange outline here, it's orange because Revit is saying, hey, the void you just made is not cutting through anything and you want it to cut through something. So once you click cut geometry, you're going to first click what's going to be cut through, which is the wall, and then you're going to click what's cutting through it, which is this void. And as you can see, the orange outline has disappeared. Before you click the check mark, just go ahead and delete that rectangle you made because you don't need it anymore. Now, as you can see in the 3D view here, I have made an arch opening in a curved wall. Thank you all for watching. Hope this video is very helpful. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts. Have a great day and God bless.